save the planet? We've been asking this question for quite a long time. Let us share our quest on how to contribute more in saving Earth as students. My name is Coco.
I'm Albie. I'm Amelia.
And I'm Elaine.
Our presentation is about environmental protection campaign in senior high school. After we saw the video, which is about removing the straw from the sea turtle's nose, we just realized that all the things we do and use every day affect the environment, especially the sea creatures.
We think that it's time to take action to protect the turtles, but we don't actually know how to initiate and apply something. And then an idea popped in our mind.
So we started our research by making relevant questions that trigger the issue. Question number 1 is, what are the most common types of garbage found in the ocean?
Number 1 on the list is plastic bottle, and it's bottle caps. And the third one is plastic straws, which is up to 22,000 pieces. And question number 2 is, which kind of environmental activities are high school students willing to do? According to the survey we did, we can clearly see that among those activities, doing coastal cleanup is what the students want to do the most.
In that case, we, as students, found a way on how to contribute to the environment by doing coastal cleanup and encourage other senior students to do the same.
And question number 3 is, which is the most motivated group to initiate the eco-friendly movement?
Upon conducting our score survey, 76% of the respondents agree that students are the most motivated group and can launch the eco-friendly movement.
By the research we've done, we decided to set up 2 green missions in our class.
Indeed, the first section is regarding the stainless straws, and the second one is coastal cleanup.
Have you ever seen the movement, skip the straw to save turtles?
Oh yes, but I would like to know more about it, since we often use the straw.
Though using one straw doesn't seem like a big deal, but the news in TVBS has reported that 23 million of the Taiwanese alone use an estimated 3 billion straws per year. And to end, the number of straws used yearly in Taiwan could circle the planet more than 11 times.
Wow, that's way too high.
Indeed.
Then we better do something about this issue. It's now or never.
Yes, and the good news is we found something that can replace the plastic straws. That is, the stainless straw.
The benefits of the stainless straws are, it can be friendly to earth, reusable, and can last for ages. Then we started a campaign in our class.
Now we're using 40 stainless straws only in our class. According to our estimation, we approximately reduce 5,000 straws a year.
That's definitely a good start.
Indeed. So since our result in our classroom is good, we started to promote the application to other classes.
The result is remarkable. In just 2 weeks, we have been to 10 classes to push an idea of the stainless straw.
330 students in our school are now using stainless straws. To further estimate it, if a person uses 15 straws a month, then 330 students together eliminate nearly 3,500 straws a month.
So you mean we can reduce 40,000 straws a year?
Yes, your math is awesome.
Yeah, but at first, it wasn't easy for us. We have to adjust carrying the straw all the time and washing it after using it.
Then, we gradually get used to drinking with the stainless straws. So, little change makes a big difference in the long run.
Besides, when we explain and show the films to the students about the relationship between turtles and straw, they were shocked, but enlightened about this issue and eager to take action towards it.
Let's tackle the second action we did, coastal cleanup. After discussing the location, specific time, transportation, and so on, we finally sorted the activities.
thanks to our advisory teacher who offered to accompany us to the beach.
Yes, we decided to go to Saju Bay out of many polluted beaches in our vicinity. Saju Bay, an hour drive from Taipei City, used to be the most popular spot for surfing in northern Taiwan, but now it has changed to the place filled with garbage.
On January 23, 2018, we arrived at the beach and started our cleaning program.
We were very excited at first, but when we saw the huge amount of garbage at the beach, we were shocked and realized that it's more serious than we saw on the internet.
Much to our surprise, the plastic straws were scattered here and there around the beach.
We collected a total of 81 kilo garbage for just an hour, and all of us feel accomplished after doing such a good things to Earth.
There's a saying, an action is worse than 1,000 words.
I totally agree.
After this coastal cleanup activity, we interviewed our classmates about their feelings.
They found out that there were so many plastic items and couldn't believe those are the common things they use in daily life.
From this activity, we learned that without inner awareness, we never know how many trash we made and how serious the animals suffered and yet still suffering. We all want to reduce the plastic waste as possible as we can.
At this moment, the project we're still working on, in addition to other 20 classes in our school, we plan to promote the application to other schools, hoping all the students can use the standard straws instead of plastic one in the near future. Also, coastal cleanup activity is going to be held by our school authority. Thus, beside our class, all of the schoolmates can have a chance to see what is happening on the beach now.
In fact, it is essential for students to get involved in eco-friendly movement. We only have one home, and that is Earth. Let's be initiative and take action for a better tomorrow. These are our references. We will thank you for attention.
Have a great eco-friendly day to all!